kanina rin. Naging kayo ba? Kasi iba yung closeness nyo, iba yung datingan nyo. Like parang may ano si Michael noon, Steph was there, vice versa. Ano talaga?
Well, I mean, we're kids, right? And siguro po at the time when I moved here talaga, Zeph was one of my first friends. And masasabi ko hanggang doon lang naman talaga yung napuntahan niya, really good friends. And I mean, work talaga muna at the time, kaya pagalitan ng parents ko noon kung paano. So, I mean, for me, it was a good relationship that we had. We grew apart somehow because na busy ang kada schedules, di ba? But, I mean, what we can work on now is we're back together and the reunion of the friendship and as co-workers, ang ganda din na nakatuwa na we're together for this project.
So, hindi ka nandigaw kay Steph mo?
Nanligaw? Hindi naman po eh. Parang ano lang talaga. Naging close. Aminado naman talaga naging close and masaya naman maging kaibigan si Zeph.
Joseph, ano naging sa'yo nung closeness niyo before? Wala lang bang label or what?
I agree with everything that Michael just said po. Siyempre, it's so normal na when you are walking with someone and when you're journeying with someone, talagang you admire them. And honestly, I've always admired Michael for his passion for yung mga pangarap din niya. Katulad sabi niya kanina, hinahabol ko yung pangarap ko and I can see that in him too. And I'm just so happy na yun nga po nung nag-start kaming dalawa, nandun kami to encourage each other. And when the time came na we had to go on like our own paths, parang nakaka-proud ko na makita na, nag-grow kayo, nag-start kayo together, and now we're back. So parang, again, I'm just so grateful na entrust po itong project na to sa aming dalawa kasi, yun nga, reunion. So it's
Yung time na nag-grow apart kayo, sabi niyo nga, nag-grow apart kayo. So medyo hindi kayo naging close noon, hindi kayo in communication ng mga time na yun, would you say? Tapos ngayon ba na, nung nalaman niyo na, ay kayo ulit yung partner, may ilangan ba at first?
Siguro po lagi naman po kayo nakikita kasi sa AOS kami parehas. So, never man naman nawala yung connection with one another. We're always open to saying hi to each other. And wala talaga, that was a busy part in your career din. And for me, I was really focused on getting better. Workshops ako ng noon at the time and my shows din at the time. So,
Nagbibig ka pa.
so I mean, minsan talaga nahihirapan to bond with friends. Aminado naman po tayo lahat yun. And I'm just thankful na kahit sa set yun, nakakapag-bonding ko rin.
So how would you describe your chemistry lang to be with the second to share?
last 3 questions I would say parang it feels parang mas kalmado na kasi syempre nag-grow na rin po kami, tumanda na kami, nag-mature na and marami na kami pinagdaanan individually. So nandun yung talagang iba na din po talaga yung mindset namin, how we see work, how we see chance. So ngayon parang peaceful lang and it's like getting to know someone again.
Okay. Pag nakikita mo steps, sorry.
For me, in terms of chemistry, it's always been a rule of mine when I have a serye or kung anong project, ginagawa kong authentic. And kung ma-describe ko man tong partnership namin dito, siguro masasabi kong tulungan talaga kami. Nakita ko naman yung growth niya ever since nagsimula siya. And of course, hopefully, nag-progress din naman ako, right? And so nakita ko yung tulong niya sa akin sa eksena and yung support niya for not just me, but the whole cast of this show. So, yung chemistry, it's always there. It's never gonna disappear kung talagang genuine ka sa isa't isa. And if you mean for the better, I mean, it's always gonna be authentic.
Discover siya sa isa't isa nung before and ngayon na magkasama kayo. Na-discover niyo sa isa't isa.
Na-discover.
Na ngayon, second time around.
I think it's prominent talagang nag-mature kami parehas. I mean, we're at an age that we're entering, kumbaga, the early adulthood, right? So we're early 20s, but at the same time, grabe din yung mga pinagdadaanan ni Zeph and she always makes kwento sometimes. So, para nakita ko sa kanya yung reflection of how tough she is, how resilient she is. And that's something that inspires me na every time na nakikita kami or nagkaka-work, nakita ko yun sa
Michael,
Stephanie.
question lang. How do you describe yung hirap mo ng career mo now that you are not
I'm so thankful because last year, kinilig talaga ako in My Ilonggo Girl when they mentioned na leading man in the introduction. And siguro for me, it's always been my goal to make it there. And I'm taking one step at a time, kumbaga. Ngayon naman, after Pinoy Big Brother, all the things that happened last year unexpectedly, now I'm blessed with another show, Born to Shine. And in this show, it's really I'm just here to support Zeph as whatever I can do as her leading man dito. And sana maging step na naman to further for my goals in my career. And I'm just thankful for the network that they keep on trusting.
Michael, yung magkakasama ulit kayo ni Stephanie, may mga fans kasi na nag-jeep sa inyong dalawa, di ba marami? So, may aasahan na ang mga fans na pwede ma-develop kayo into something special.
Sa akin ba sa amin?
Sa inyo.
Okay. Oh, Zeph, go ahead.
Again, right now, I know both of us we really want this show to work. And I'm just really happy na, syempre po, nakakabalik lang ulit namin na mag-work together. Focus po talaga kami sa Born to Shine. And it's really discovering more about ourselves for now. And then working together, parang imparting those discoveries from our individual paths. So, I don't know, but right now talaga po, we're just happy na mag-work kami ulit.
Oh, for people, I mean, natural naman yan kung magka-develop ang isa't isa. And for me, it depends on the priorities of one another. Ako, my mindset into the show is really improving to be better. And now that I'm given a project with Zeph, siguro I can see the challenges that I have to take. And I agree with Zeph, masaya magtrabaho na happy ang set, kumbaga. And yung relationship namin, it just grows fonder to be a more enjoyable, fun time. And no complaints on it.
Last lang, what, in one word, how would you describe each other? Or what do you like most about her or about him? In one word. Now, Now you see.
Zeph, to describe her in one word, resilient, for sure. From the times that I've known her before till now, talagang lumalaban siya for her dreams.
Si Michael talaga, he's so passionate. Yeah. You don't need to explain. You know it.
Okay. Picture lang silang dalawa.